Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, it's been almost 3 years on YouTube, and yesterday I realized that I never asked anyone to like my videos. So my dear friends, if you like my videos, then please press the like button. Okay. So from today onwards, I may say that okay, like the videos and all. And I'm also thinking to change the script because it has become very monotonous. Hello. Welcome to. Anyways, let's get started. So, my dear friends, gold is unstoppable, gold is bullish, we know it very well, and today we can expect a sideways market. Why sideways market? Because mostly the market is waiting for tomorrow's CPI. As we all know that gold is crazy bullish. This is the daily chart of gold, and you can clearly see, not you, we can clearly see the market is standing at the top and a retracement is due. Maybe after CPI, we will get to see the retracement correction that we have been waiting for. But today, we can expect that market may remain sideways because usually before a big event like CPI and NFP, we do not get to see much volatility. But in case market surprises us, because market is full of surprises, then we need to play accordingly. Okay, so be flexible. So let's discuss the trading opportunities. But before heading with the levels, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold prices edge higher as markets await Fed minutes. You can see gold price edge up on Tuesday, hovering slightly below a record high as investors awaited US Federal Reserve's policy meeting minutes, key inflation data for cues on the timing and depth of interest rate cuts. Gold gains on central bank buying, US inflation data in focus. Gold price is higher in early Asian trade. Gold hit a record high Monday, driven by central bank purchases. China's central bank added to its gold reserves for the 17th month in a row in March, with its reserves rising to 72.75 million troy ounces. Okay, bro, if you have been reading the news, you must be knowing that apart from the geopolitical tensions, okay, the buying of the central bank is another reason why gold is so bullish. In fact, 2 days ago, I read in Times of India, a newspaper from India, that our central bank is also buying. Okay, it has bought around 10 tons of gold. Okay, in the month of January and Feb, I guess. Okay, and still buying. So all the central banks are buying. So yes, gold is bullish. Okay, and maybe we will get to see the retracement that we have been waiting for after CPI. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, now let's look at a chart of gold, my dear friends. So today, okay, if market acts normally, okay, then we can expect the market to remain sideways. So if market remains sideways today, then buy at support, sell at resistance will be the best trading strategy. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, market doesn't remain sideways, okay, because gold has been very unpredictable for the last couple of weeks. If that happens, and if you see gold crossing 2353, then we can also look for a buy, considering it is a breakout. Buy breakout is very risky, okay, because already gold has shown extreme bullishness. But if market doesn't come for retracement, then we can't help it. In that case, obviously we are forced to buy. But yes, follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital, considering that okay, gold is bullish, I should be making money. No, gold has already shown enough bullishness, so a retracement is due. As we have already discussed yesterday and on Saturday also, that on the chart of gold, the best level to go for buy is around 2200 and 2250. But 2200, 2250 are far away from the current market price. If market shows deep retracement or correction after CPI, then we may look for buy around 2200, 2250. Okay, but at this moment, okay, market is trading far away, so we need to look at the immediate levels. Okay, so to discuss the immediate levels, let me zoom in so that we can understand the levels better. So today we can expect the market to remain within 2300 to 2355. This should be the range of the market, or at least this should be the range before the US session, or at least during the European and Asian session. You can expect this to be the range of gold. Yesterday in the early morning we saw gold bouncing from 2300 level, or 2300 2305 support. The support of 2300 2305 is still very much present. Okay, and 2355 is not a proper resistance. Okay, 2355 is not a proper resistance. But as a day trader, if risk is your middle name, then you can look for a sell around 2353 2354 area. But otherwise, I will not recommend anyone. Personally also, I will not go for any trade, because considering the present trend of the market, overall trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, we should be looking for buy positions only. Okay, as long as market doesn't show any sign of retracement or trend reversal, both technically and fundamentally, it is better and safer to be on the buy side only. And where should we go for buy? We should go for buy at retracement. Okay, and when market doesn't come for retracement, then we can look for buy breakout. I have been talking about this thing for a long time. Okay. So today also I will, though there's a high chance the market will remain sideways, but respecting the trend of the market, still I will not recommend any sell position. If you want to go for a sell around this area, you can go for it. That's your personal. So, but personally, I will not recommend. Okay. So the first level where we can look for buy position is around 2300 to 2305. We have already discussed about this level, and market has already bounced yesterday and gave us the confirmation that this is a level where we have good buyers present. But before 2300, we have another level around 2311. Okay, 2311 to 2310. This is another level where you can expect the market to bounce. Okay, and here we are mostly using Fibonacci. Okay, we are mostly using Fibonacci to derive this level. You can see around 2300 2305. Okay, we have Fibo 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, 2300 is a round number psychological level. That's why, okay, this is a very good level. But before 2300, 2311 we discussed. Why 2311? To understand the importance of 2311, okay, we need to play with the Fibo tool a little bit. See, I have changed the level right now, and we can see that the starting point has changed, okay, but the ending point has not changed. And yesterday, okay, this setup has worked very nicely when market bounced from Fibo 23.20. Okay, so according to this setup, okay, where is our next level? You can see the next level is around, okay, 2310. Okay, 2310 or 2311. So around this level we have another support during the day. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy position. But again, the same problem remains. Market is standing at 2345, and the levels that we discussed are far away. They are also far away. Okay, so we need to move to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. So on when we shifted to 15 minutes, we can see that we have two levels again. But here the problem is that this is a 15 minutes chart. That means the levels are not very reliable in comparison to the levels from the hourly time frame. So be careful with the levels, because we have 2320 as the second support here, and the first support is around 2333 to 28. Okay, this is the level, and these are the two levels that you can expect the market to bounce. But be careful during the US session. During the European and Asian session, you can expect these two levels to work. So we have four supports on the chart of gold right now. Okay, we have four supports on the charts. Support. The first support is 2333 to 28. The second support is 2320. The third support is 2310, and the fourth support is 2300. These are the four levels on the chart of gold right now. Okay, these are good levels. They should work during the US session, but but these levels are these are the levels that we have derived from the lower time frame, so they may not work during the US session. So you can expect the market to bounce during the Asian and European session only. Okay, so these are the 4 levels on the chart of gold right now where we can expect the market to bounce, where our risk to reward ratio will be in our favor, and we can expect a good trade following the proper discipline. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can't help it. In that case, we will have to go for buy breakout, means we can look for a buy above 2353, 2355 area. Okay, be careful. And if you're planning to take a sell, okay, taking a sell can be very risky right now. That's your personal choice. I will not comment on that because trading is a very much subjective matter. But one thing I would like to mention here is that, so today there's a high chance that market will remain sideways, especially during the European session and Asian session. But still, we should not forget that the overall trend of the market is very much bullish. So taking a sell can be still very risky. And if you're holding a sell and you are about to blow your account, then try to exit at retracement. Whenever you will see some sort of retracement on the chart of gold, try to exit. In case market comes to 2300 level, okay, that can also be a level where you can exit. Sometimes we feel that it is not possible to exit. How can I book this big loss? Okay, but we forget that if we do not book our losses, then there's a high chance that we will blow our whole account. Always keep in mind that capital protection should be the first priority of any trader, and we are traders, okay, not gamblers. So be careful and trade only when you see the proper opportunity. Do not lose your patience and trade here and there, enter on the middle of the chart. Try to stick to the levels. We are retail traders. It is not possible for us to predict the market, understand the market at each and every level. So try to trade only on those levels that you understand. Okay, if you follow this discipline, maybe you will have some 2-3 bad trades, but in the long run you'll always be in profit. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, be careful. Again, I'm repeating, tomorrow we have CPI coming up. So before a big event like CPI, market sometimes most of the time remains sideways. So if market remains sideways, still try to stick to the levels and do not gamble. Okay, that's all. Bye bye, take care.